Hello everyone. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you. So let's take a look. A soccer team has 22 available players. A fixed set of 11 players start the game, while the other 11 players are available as substitute. During the game, coach make as many as 3 substitution, where one of the 11 players in the game is replaced by one of the substitute. No player is removed from the game may re-enter the game, although the substitute entering the game may be replaced later. Okay, no substitution will happen at the same time. The players involved are odd, and the order of the substitution matter. Involved or matter. Okay, let n be the number of ways the coach can make substitution during the game, including the possibility of making no substitution. Find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. Okay, so let's take a look at the question itself. So here, since we can make at more maximum of 3 substitution, so we'll basically consider 4 cases. Okay, so case 1 would be no substitution. No substitution. Okay, so so how are the ways we can actually go about? So basically there's only one way we can go about this particular method. That is, all the 11 players who came out to play initially, they'll continue to play. So this only one way to go about with the same. Okay, so only one way will the players will play where no substitution take place, or 11 players. So let me just highlight the reason as well. 11 initial players continue to play. Okay, so this is a first this is the scenario as far as no substitution case is concerned. Okay. 11 initial player continue to play. Let's take a look at the second case. So case 2 would be one substitution. One substitution. So out of 11 players playing on field, coach can choose to substitute one player in 11 C1 ways, and similarly one player from 11 can also choose an 11 substitute player one can be chosen to replace that player in another 11 C1 ways. So therefore 11 C1 into 11 C1 to 11 into 11 be 121. So this is in case of 2 substitution. Okay, in case of 1 substitution, case 2. Now let's talk about case 3. Here 2 substitution. Okay, two substitution. So okay, so in this case let's try to understand one thing. Initially there were 11 players playing, right? So for 11 players we have to select one player to substitute out, so that can be selected in 11 C1 ways. And also there were 11 substitute, of which one player has to be selected to replace the substituted player, so that can be also selected in 11 C1. So this particular thing is almost similar to case 2, the first part. Okay, so this part is similar to that. Hopefully this is clear. So now what now this has been done. Next up, again we have to make one more substitution. So again 11 players are playing and we have to select one player whom we have to substitute. So that player can be the newly added player as well. Again 11C1 base, and now we have to again select one substitution from the bench players. So here on the bench players we simply we cannot use previously substituted players. Okay, because let me give you no player here because of this particular line may re-enter the game. Okay, so we cannot include that particular player. So as a result, only we have 10 sample space on the bench of the 10 players from which we can select one player. So this would give us 1 3 3 1 0 ways. Okay. And now finally case 4 would be all 3 substitution. So for 3 substitution, again from 11 player we will select one player to be substituted. From 11 bench player we will select one player to be substituted. Again from the 11 player who are playing we will select one player to be substituted for the second substitution. And from the 10 bench player we will select one player like this case particularly. So far we have completed the case of 2 substitution. Okay, this is what we are doing until here. Now for our third substitution what we need is, again from the playing 11 players we'll select we'll select one player from the 11 playing players. And now since already we have substituted 2 players and this particular player removed, this particular reason is still into the effect, so we have total 9 players left on the bench from which we can select one player. So hopefully this is clear to you. This would actually give us 11 into 11 into 11 into 10 into 11 into 9. So the number is 1317690. So now let's add up all the different ways. So therefore total selection total ways would be 1 plus 121 plus 13310 plus 1317690. So if we add those up, we get 1331122. So now when we divide this particular number by 1000, so basically mod 1000, we get 122, which is our remainder. Basically this last 3 digits is our answer. So hopefully this question is clear to you. We have gone in details as far as the explanation of the question is concerned and the different steps involved was tackling this kind of question. Kindly go through the problem multiple times so that you can get a better understanding on the same, of the various approaches involved towards solving this particular question in general. So with that said, I hope everything is clear to you and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.